Sometimes on X or Twitter, you may get notifications related to you or your posts. That means if others tag you, you'll get a notification. Or if your posts get any comments, you'll get notifications for those too. If you want to receive these notifications in your email as well, you can enable a setting. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. To do this, open the X app. At the top, you'll see your profile photo. Tap on this profile photo. When you do that, you'll see Settings and Support. Tap on Settings and Support. Then, you'll see Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Here, you'll see Notifications. Tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see Preferences. Tap on Preferences. When you do that, you'll see Email Notifications. Tap on this option. Now, here you can see email notifications. If it's turned off, just turn it on. After that, scroll down, and you'll see a section related to you and your posts. Under that, there's an option for new notifications. If it's turned off, just turn it on. After that, if any notifications come in related to you or your posts, you'll also get them in your email. So, this way, you can easily enable email notifications. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.